What appears on screen is a ceiling-mounted light fixture with a clean circular form, subtle enough to blend into most interior settings without drawing immediate attention to itself. The Philips Tento positions itself within the broader Hue smart lighting ecosystem, which may be a significant factor depending on whether that ecosystem is already part of a viewer's home. At first glance, the design seems oriented toward ambient lighting rather than high-intensity task illumination. The diffused output appears soft and evenly distributed across the room in footage demonstrations, with color temperature and brightness adjustable through the Hue app. One thing that stands out is the deep integration with the Philips Hue platform. Scenes, schedules, automation routines, and third-party smart home connections through Matter or Apple HomeKit all appear accessible from within a familiar interface for existing Hue users. For new users entering the ecosystem, the onboarding process may require a Hue bridge, depending on the specific connectivity option chosen. Moving on to light quality, the output appears warm and controllable across a broad Kelvin range. The ability to dial between warm white for evening ambience and cooler daylight tones for focus or task lighting seems genuinely practical for everyday use. From here, installation appears straightforward for a standard ceiling junction box. The mounting hardware included seems designed for most residential applications without requiring additional tools. Overall, the experience feels like a solid choice for those already invested in the Hue ecosystem. Some users may find the pricing higher than comparable ceiling lights from competing smart home brands. Depending on your existing setup and how much value you place on ecosystem continuity, this may be worth considering.